Hello, this is my iPhone 2G disassemblement right now. I have broken Wi-Fi and network cable that I have to replace, and I just want to show you guys what happens when you have a broken cable. So, for those who are not yet familiar with the iPhone components, we have the battery right here. We have the cable antenna or the antenna cable coming from here and going right there, so you have to be really careful when you are opening your iPhone. So here is the broken cable. My problem here is that I don't have really where to put my cable. This thing you can see right here, in this tutorial you only see that you have to deal with this really carefully. Anyway, I don't have anything else to say. I just want help, please. So if you have any idea how can I get the thing that can fix my cable here, so because it's obviously it's broken, I will really appreciate your help. So thank you.